Alright guys, it's been a minute, but welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be installing the Quadzilla Adrenaline on my 01 Dodge Ram. We do a full installation on it. I kind of already made a video on it, but I kind of got sick right afterwards and came down with COVID and had to basically take 10 days off of work, so that's why you're seeing this video so late. And it just didn't really make sense, the timeline that I was going to be able to get it up. So it is already installed, but I'll go ahead and I'll put some clips in from whenever we did the installation. So you're talking, you got to hook up EGT gauge, which we already had drilled and tapped for that. We had to hook up engine oil temperature sensor. It goes on the oil filter housing. A map sensor, basically like a little Y that ties in. And then you're going to have one end of your map sensor go to your ECM, and then the other end will go into the Quadzilla module. And then you have a pump tap. And once again, this truck already had a pump tap on it, so we were able to just basically tee in with that. And then we had to hook to key on power and then positive and negative on the battery. And then last but not least, there is a data link on the front driver's side of the engine harness. Coming out where it goes up timing cover, there's a little 3-prong plug, and that is the data link. And then we'll go ahead and take it for a drive. A lot of these were on the default profile, level 7, doing just basically wide open throttle pulls, so you guys can go check that out. Another cool thing about the Quadzilla is the versatility and how you can change the gauges around. The custom tuning is awesome. There's tons of options out there on how to set everything up. This truck is also running 7x10 injectors with a 62, 65, 13 turbo with a billet wheel, so it does run pretty well. Alright guys, and I also want to thank Quadzilla for working with us a little bit on this and letting us do basically a review on the channel. So go check out their website. They have a couple different products, mainly specializing in the VP44 stuff, which is cool because it's crazy to see how far they've come with this stuff. Whenever everyone's moving on to common rail and stuff like that, these guys are still just pushing out the VP44 technology and just trying to learn more so we can make more power on these old trucks. So we're going to kind of go through the gears real quick here, show you guys kind of what we're dealing with, how this thing's running. There's a car up here. Let me get past this car. You guys are new to the channel. This is 7x10s with a 62, 65, 13 turbo, 093 crossover tubes, and Quadzilla with custom tuning. So you can try to get the speedo in here too, and we'll get an exhaust clip and everything. That's going to wrap it up, guys. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, even if it's a comment just as simple as where you're from. I really do appreciate that. For an inside scoop and preview on things before they happen on the channel, follow my Instagram, DylanLee73, and we'll see you guys on the next one.